Hello everyone. So this is a practice lab session. In this lab session, I'm going to show you text to image generation with Lambda function and foundation model. So in the previous lecture, we discussed the overview of this project. Now we will dive into the Lambda function and begin writing the Python code. I assume you have a basic understanding of Python programming, but if not, no worries. I will explain everything from scratch. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into the AWS management console. So I believe you have an account in AWS. If not, just create it. Now before starting to develop the project, you need to do few things. The very first thing, you need to request access to model. So first of all, choose the appropriate region. Suppose I'm choosing this one, Asia Pacific, and then click this Amazon Bedrock. Scroll down, and under this Bedrock configuration we have this model access. So just click on it, and after that we have two options. The first one is enable all models. The second one is enable specific model. Suppose for this project I want to have the access to Cloud 3 Sonnet, which is for text or vision. And one more thing, the availability of model vary with the region. Maybe for this region you can see only few models, and for other region you will see more models. So you need to choose according to the requirement. So here I am just showing you how to request access to model. So just click on enable specific model and then choose whatever the model access you want. Suppose I want to have the access to these models. Just select the model and click next and submit. So it will take some time for the approval of these model. So this is one thing. And for my project, I'm going to choose US East region because this region is having more models. So here you can see it is having so many models. Stability I, text to image. You can also take this one as well. Let me show you this one. Titan image generator or Titan image generator G1. So this is also a good model which will help you to generate text to image. So this is the one thing. After that, you need to create one S3 bucket as well. And then I will start creating a Lambda function.